Welcome to Opinion Stage. In this video, we'll show you how to easily use variables in all your items. Let's start with an example of a knowledge quiz. Here, I will show how to use variables in the closing that users receive. I've already applied the same variables to the first two closings, so now I'll pick the third one. First, we need to pick a place where we want to add a variable. In this case, we want to tell users the percentage of correct answers they got. To add a variable, we type the @ symbol and pick a variable from the list. Here, we select %correct. We also want to let users know their exact score. To do this, we type the @ symbol again and choose number correct. For more clarity, we add the @ symbol one more time and insert total number of questions, so users can see the full reference. Let's publish the quiz and see how it will look for our audience. Let's go through all the questions together. We'll pick answers at random so we can watch a live example of how our variables work. As we can see, we get both a percentage score and a total number score at the end. Let's move on to the second example, which is a personality quiz. Here, I will show how to use variables to present outcomes to users in a clear way. Personality quiz works in a way that we link answers to each closing based on points. Then the system automatically counts which closing got the most points based on users' answers and present the closing with the highest score. I have already added these variables in the first two closings, so now we will select the third one. In a personality quiz, we often want to show the person all the outcomes they received, not only the main one. We may want to show the percentage of other results they got. So we type @ and select a variable to display their second and third result. As you can see, there are several variables available at the top of the list. To show their second and third closing, we select result rank 2 and result rank 3. Remember, the result rank number, for example, number 1, always refers to closing with the highest total number of points based on the user's answers, not to the first result on your list. Same goes for rank number 2 and 3. They respectively refer to the second and third outcome the user received based on the points each result gathered. Here, we want to first show the percentage and then display the title of their second result. We do the same for the third result. Again, we type @, select the percentage of the third result, and then the title. Now, let's publish the quiz and see how it looks for the user. We will answer all the questions and choose random answers. This way, we can check how our variables appear in the closing. We see that our main result is the Explorer, and we can also see how the other outcomes are presented below. In the last example, let's have a look at variables we can use based on users' previous answers. This allows us to refer to users' previous answers in the following questions and in the outcomes that users receive. In this market research survey example, I will show you how to use variables from answers. In the first question, we ask our users for their name. We want to refer to their name in the next question. First, we need to choose the spot where we want to refer to the user's answer. We type the @ symbol and select the question we want to refer to. The same process applies for the next questions. Again, we choose a spot, type the @ symbol, and select which answer we want to refer to from the list of questions that we have already asked. We can also refer to users' answers in the closings they receive. The rule is the same. We just type the @ symbol and choose the question we want to refer to. Let's publish the changes and see how it looks for our users. We enter the first name and we can see that we are referring to the name in this question. In this question, we also see our reference to the previous one. And in our closing, we also refer to user's name. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy creating your items with Opinion Stage.